came to my favorite place in Seattle, which is the Rivian Space, because I hear that they have an Airstream, and they do, and it's awesome. And so we're actually going to do something a little bit different. Let's just go ahead and do the introduction with this. Well, that was kind of cool. So basically, they just have little mobile meetings. Like, they're going to be taking this vehicle or this Airstream to different pop-ups in the future for community events and everything like that. This is only here temporary, but it is kind of cool to see an Airstream, especially with it being here at Rivian. And so, nice, you know. We'll see where this goes in different other places. One cool thing, though, this is actually touchscreen. So say like you want to go to Whistler, right? It's plotting the process from here to there. Apparently it's only 4 hours, and I don't need to even charge. That's kind of cool. Fish, Montana, search. 2 charging stops, hour and 20 minutes of charging, and an 8-hour trip. That's actually not that bad. Nice. So let's go ahead and give them back their office, and yeah, come check it out.